Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting math problem involving manipulation of algebra, especially the identity a cubed minus b cubed equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared, making it perfect test for beginners. Today's problem is straightforward. Solve cubic root of x minus 110 minus cubic root of x minus 381 equals 1. Before we uncover the solution, I encourage you to hit the pause button, grab your pen and paper, and give it your best shot. Some of you may be skilled at guess and check methods. And if you successfully obtain the correct answer, please feel free to share it with us in the comments. When you're ready, let's explore the solution together. Let's get started. Before we dive into solving the problem, let's make an interesting observation. If u equals x minus 245.5, the original equation transforms into the cubic root of u plus 135.5 minus cubic root of u minus 135.5 equals 1. What's special about this transformation? Let's define gu as the cubic root of u plus 135.5 minus cubic root of u minus 135.5. Upon calculation, we find that g negative u equals gu. This symmetry indicates that the function g is an even function, and the graph of g is as shown. Consequently, for any non-zero a, the equation gu equals a has an even number of solutions. In particular, our given equation has an even number of solutions. Now, let's proceed to solve the problem, keeping in mind that we expect an even number of solutions. Let a to be cubic root of x minus 110 and b to be cubic root of x minus 381. This implies that a minus b equals 1 and a cubed minus b cubed equals 271. Using the formula, a cubed minus b cubed equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared, and the condition a minus b equals 1, we obtain the following. After some calculation, ab equals 90. Now note that a plus b squared is a minus b squared plus 4ab, which evaluates 361 or 19 squared. This implies that a plus b is either 19 or negative 19. Combining this with the condition a minus b equals 1, we get two sets of solutions, ab equals 10, 9 or negative 9, negative 10, leading to x being either 1110 or negative 619. While we successfully solve the problem, here is an interesting observation. The answer for the following equations are all different, but they share a common trait. The sum of this equation is always 491, which interestingly matches the sum of 110 and 381 in the original expression. Going back to our initial transformation, the number 245.5 is precisely half of 491. This sheds light why we choose 245.5 in the first place. Armed with this knowledge, we can answer similar questions, such as the one from the Singapore Medical Olympiad, without explicitly solving them, since the answer is simply the sum of 110 and 381. It's always beneficial to practice what you have learned. Feel free to try this question and share your answer in the comments. That concludes today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed the video and stay tuned for more exciting math challenges in the future. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.